Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite people to your company in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our task list and the assignments. From here we have to tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then at the top we find organizations and my company. Now if you tap on invite to the right of it, we can enter the email address of the people that we want to invite, or we can just tap on invite from device contacts, which means that the people that we have the contacts of, the phone numbers of, we can invite them just through that. And yeah, we can set the accessibility of the company to the invitees. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.